my god.
No, wait. Okay.
What? Okay. Are you ready? Are you done?
I guess.
No?
So.
You ready? You sure? Alright, so. You're worse than Kiana.
Okay, go ahead.
I thought Kiana's the only person I have this problem with starting a friggin' video. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hey! That's so cool. Nobody did that before. Nobody beat me to it. But anyways, welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly, Zoisha, and I'm with her.
Puppy.
Unfortunately. Just kidding. And yeah, so today we're gonna be doing a challenge for you guys. Yeah, you're right. This is her first challenge video, guys, so she's kind of nervous. So
I'm not nervous.
You know, be nice in the comment section. Section. Anyways, what we're gonna be doing today is the Chubby Bunny challenge. We're gonna be doing that for you guys today. So if you're interested in seeing us make a fool of ourselves, drool over ourselves, and all of that good stuff, stay tuned and continue watching this video. Okay, now to open this freaking bag.
So it's just like move around. I'm just like this.
So these are the marshmallows we're going to be using in today's challenge. I bought these at Dollarama for $1.25. Woo! And the crowd goes wild. Damn. Okay. Wait, does he say damn or dab? Dab? Dab or damn? I don't know. So yeah.
You know more than me.
All right, so y'all know the concept of this. We're gonna put a marshmallow in our mouth, say Chubby Bunny, and we're gonna see how many, or how long it takes us till we can't say Chubby Bunny. Well, we'll say it, but when it's not recognizable. Okay? So, you wanna go first, or should I go first? Cause
I think you should go first.
Okay. All right. I don't know why this is so funny already,
like
but yeah, like
thinking about
my mouth is like watery. Okay, anyways, all right. Chubby Bunny. Was that lightning? Come on, let's go. I don't know what that his face.
Okay, you had a moment. Let me have a moment, okay? My mouth's watering.
It's my channel. I can
okay,
have as many
shut
moments
up.
as I want.
Chubby Bunny. I feel like my mouth's already full. You should have bought smaller ones.
Like a mini one.
Spit this food.
Okay, Chubby Bunny. It feels weird already.
Okay, slimy. Chubby Bunny. I can't fit anymore.
Oh no, okay. Chubby Bunny.
I can't.
See, this is why I need the camera with the thing you can see, so I can see how stupid I look right now before I edit it. Be serious now.
I'm trying. I won't fit in my mouth. Chubby Bunny.
I think I can do 4, that's it. Let me say it. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Well, after watering, hold on.
There we go.
We shouldn't have put in. We're so Ew. Chubby bunny.
Woo! You still sound the same, girl. Chubby bunny.
Try again. What does your mouth look like that? I don't even want you to post this anymore. If I can't watch this and laugh at myself, there's a problem. Ew. Heard like the moisture from
Chubby bunny.
Yo, you're getting your own file.
Okay. Ah!
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
I'm gonna try it. I don't think going there. That's so gross. This is so gross. My hand, oh, that's so gross.
Can you come here so I can end the video?
Hold on.
Anyways, guys, Tiffany's washing off her hands. This is what happened.
That's so
I thought this video was gonna be at least 10 minutes long.
You have it all over.
I really and truly did think it was gonna be at least 10 minutes long, but between laughing, having the shit in my mouth, like
spilling all over me. Oh my god.
I couldn't do it. But I'm gonna do this challenge again. I'm gonna do it with more people because this is hella freaking funny.
Yeah, no, that's way too much marshmallows for 2 people.
Like,
ew. Like, oh.
oh my god, I'm so scared to watch the footage back.
I don't even want to see it.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this Chubby Bunny challenge with me and Fuffy.
Brandy, you should show it to mommy.
Oh my god, give your shout out. If you liked this video and thought it was disgusting, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
That was so disgusting.
We out.
That was so gross.
So gross.
No, and then the fact that it stopped and then we were